Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Forever 21. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in forever21.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Forever 21. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will now see the login section. If you have forgotten your password, just click on the forgot password button and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the send button. You will now be asked to check your inbox to find the instructions for your password reset. So log into your email address. Once you check your inbox, you will find an email within which you will find a link that you can click on and you will be able to set up a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Then you can click on the reset password button, and once your password has successfully been reset, you can get back into the login page and then enter your email address along with your newly set up password to log in and regain access into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Forever 21. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.